Hey y'all, Adam from hookandclaw.com. Today's video we're going to be carding the fins and the tail off this fish we just mounted last video. And slowly but surely we're finishing up this bass, and we don't have much farther to go, just getting ready to paint. But anyway, if you like our videos, subscribe and go ahead and hit the like button. If you got any questions, throw it down there in the comments, we'll get back to you. We've been having a good time doing this bass series from start to finish. Had to mount your own bass, and been helping out a lot of people, been meeting a lot of new people, been having a good time. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We're not going to need much to do this. I just got some cardboard laminated for cards. You can use like old credit card or debit cards, anything that's going to hold to these fins good. And I'm just going to use some paper clips. But basically, while the fins are still wet, we're going to set them how we want. Because when they dry, you're going to get no chance to move them. So you got one shot at this. So keep those fins and tail wet while you work on this. And I'll check back in with you in a minute and see how we're doing. As you can see, all we're doing is spreading those fins out, placing the carbon material behind it, and throwing the paper clip. I'll show you on this last one right here. Piece of carbon material, paper clip, go ahead and secure it. And if you see a fin that you can't really get into place, take your little T-pin. You're not gonna hurt nothing. Find a place where you wanna. That'll help you set it up like you want. That one was pretty good. Alright, basically that's it. Actually one more. I don't know what I'm thinking. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy in. Just like that. I got a little piece of rubber. I'm gonna stick behind this gill, kind of open it up. A little piece of rubber hose. It's gonna open that gill at the time to dry. I got little pieces of plastic. I'll actually stick in between each gill to kind of separate them when they dry, so you can paint those red. Other than that, check out our next video. We're going to be finishing up with the eyes and do a little epoxy sculpt work, and then she'll be ready to paint. And anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Check the next one out, and hookandclaw.com. God bless. Good night.